Our last few examples, or pair of examples, deal with interpreting function notation and applying function notation in the context of business applications. In example 17, we're told that the total profit from producing and selling X units of a certain product is given by P of X. I'm going to go ahead and make a point of emphasizing that that's a capital P for profit. This information, we want to use this information to complete the following. We want to explain the meaning of the statement capital P of 6,785 is equal to 18,176.27. We want to take this mathematical statement, translate it into something practical. What this means is that the company will see a total profit which is given to us by essentially our y value, the function value on the right-hand side of that equal sign. We'll see a total profit of $18,176.27 at a production level of 6,785 units. Keep in mind, X is that production level. So the different ways to say that. Another way to say it would be when a company is producing 6,785 units, they're going to see a total profit of $18,176.27. That's what that function notation means as we move back and forth between the mathematical and the practical. In part B, we're given the practical statement. We want to translate it into a mathematical statement. Assume the company produces and sells 7,072 units for a total profit of $15,759.07. We want to express that in function notation. So this 7,072 is our value for X, that's our units produced, and this 15,000 plus dollars is our total profit. So that's our function value when X is 7,072, when production is 7,072 units. So we would say that P of 7,072 is equal to 15,759.07. The better we can translate in our head the meaning of that mathematical, translate back and forth between that mathematical statement and that practical statement, the easier it's going to be in this course and in business calculus to interpret the meaning of some of our different calculations and results. In example 18, the number of units X a company will sell at a price of P dollars is given by P of X. Note that that's a lowercase p in this case. So price is usually associated with lowercase p, profit with capital P. We want to use that information to explain the meaning of the statement lowercase p of 9,063 equals 23.41. So what this expression is telling us is P of X, which is our units produced, gives us a function value, lowercase p, which is a price point. So if the company wants to sell 9,063 units, then they need to charge $23.41 per item. That's the practical meaning of that mathematical function notation statement. In Part B, assume the company determines they need to set a price point of $27.83 per unit to sell 9,504 units. We want to express this information in function notation. So lowercase p of our units produced, 9,504, or units sold in this case, equals that price point of $27.83, or 27.83. With these two problems, there's nothing that we're calculating. We're really just focusing on getting down that concept, that translation between the mathematical statement and the practical statement, which again will benefit us in future application problems.